everyone, this is Carolyn, your happy retired again girlfriend from Mississippi. Welcome back to my channel. I've decided to start each visit with a thankful for today, a good word for today, and then a what's going on around Breezy Acres today. So first of all, my thankful for today is all the beautiful foliage that is around in our area now. This is December the 16th. And we are just now getting our peak foliage, which is not lasting very long at all. We got color and it only lasts about a day, 2 days, and the wind's blowing all the leaves off the trees. So I'm going to take you on a little tour around Breezy Acres and show you some of the beautiful sights and the color while it's still here. My good word for today is, this is the day that the Lord hath made. We will rejoice and be glad in it. And that's in Psalms. So my lesson I have learned on this journey, it's taken me 80 years to learn, is that what used to take me a day to get done now takes me at least a week. But that's the way it is, and that's the way it's going to be. So let's take a tour and check out Breezy Acres today. Hey, Maizie. So Maisie and I are outside now. We're going for a walk, and this is one of the most important things I have learned in my retirement years, is to get out of my house, get out, get some fresh air, sunshine. Today is a beautiful day. It's more like a fall day than a Christmas day, but nevertheless, it is December 16th. We have cold weather coming this weekend, but as for today, it's a beautiful fall day. So Maisie and I are going for a walk and see what we can see. We're back from our walk, and I will edit the video and get it posted. It was a beautiful day, wonderful weather outside. Maisie got to watch the ducks swimming down the water. We watched the squirrels hunting for acorns, and she wanted so bad to get loose and go chase the squirrels. But it was a beautiful sunset. We're back home now, getting ready to get a snack and settle down for the evening. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye. We're back inside now, and I'm getting ready to have my little snack and just think about the beautiful day we've had outside. Maisie's enjoyed being outside and not having to wear a sweater and a coat. She usually has to bundle up. She's so cold-natured. So I'm settling down, and I'm looking through my new book that my daughter gave me for an early Christmas gift on bread making. So I'm thumbing through trying to pick out which bread I want to make first and experiment some with some bread making. So thank you for watching our video today. We had a great day at Breezy Acres, and I hope you had a great day where you are. Until next time, be good, be kind to each other, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.